In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write and publish a blog post on WordPress. We'll walk through the process from opening WordPress all the way to publishing your post. And the great thing is that it's very straightforward once you know where everything is. First, go to your WordPress board. This is the main control center where you manage your website content, including posts, pages, media, and settings. If you're already logged in, you should land directly in the admin area. If not, sign in and then continue to the dashboard so you can start creating your post. Once you're inside WordPress, look for the new option. This is the quick way to create fresh content from your dashboard. Clicking New opens up the different types of content you can make, which is useful when you want to move quickly without browsing through multiple menu items. From there, click on Post. This is important because WordPress separates blog posts from pages. Posts are typically used for articles, updates, and ongoing blog content, while pages are more often used for static sections like an About page or Contact page. Choosing Post makes sure your content is created in the correct format for your blog. Now you'll be taken to the post editor. The first thing to do here is enter a title. Your title should clearly describe what the blog post is about, since it helps both your readers and your website organization. Try to make it specific and easy to understand so visitors immediately know what they're about to read. After that, add your content in the main editor area. This is where you write the body of your blog post. You can type directly into the editor and build out your article section by section. As you write, focus on keeping your content clear, readable, and well organized. It often helps to separate ideas into shorter paragraphs so the post is easier to follow on both desktop and mobile screens. Take a moment to review what you've written before publishing. Check for any spelling mistakes, formatting issues, or anything that feels incomplete. Even a quick read-through can make your post feel more polished and professional. When everything looks good, click Publish. This will make your blog post live on your WordPress site so visitors can view it. Depending on your setup, WordPress may ask you to confirm the publish action, so just follow the prompt if it appears. And that's it. You've successfully created and published a blog post on WordPress. Once you've done it a few times, this process becomes quick and easy, and it's a solid foundation for consistently adding new content to your site.